One of the best things you can do with leftovers is to make fried rice. A stir-fried kind of a recipe. Make sure you have all of your ingredients all lined up. We have some egg, leftover lamb, peppers, onions, garlic, snow peas, some bok choy. You need to use leftover rice when you make fried rice, otherwise it'll kind of get all stuck together. We've heated our wok up. Put in about a teaspoon of garlic flavored oil. You can use regular oil. Take our garlic, just smash that, put that right in, and that's going to start browning up right away. And then we're going to put in our egg. When you're making fried rice, you want to make sure it's a pretty dry process. All set. Our meat, and this is lamb. It's already been cooked. Put in some onion very quickly. Cut that up. In that goes sweet red peppers, cold rice. That's great. A little bit of soy sauce, just to give the rice a little bit of flavor and a little bit of that dark color. The whole time this rice is on high heat. Put in our pea pods. We'll do some Chinese cabbage or bok choy. Put that right in. A little bit of sesame oil, just about like maybe a teaspoon of sesame oil. Turn the heat right off. You don't actually cook with sesame oil. You don't stir fry with it. If you want, a little bit of salt, pepper. This is black pepper. Now you can put in other ingredients that you happen to have. In a few minutes I'll be putting in some shrimp. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you next time.